Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see why your AirPods all of a sudden stopped charging. Either one side of the AirPod or the charging case itself is not charging properly like before. Some reasons for it, why it is not charging, and a couple of troubleshooting steps I like to suggest to you. If the following reasons doesn't fit in your case, then these troubleshooting steps will definitely help you to fix the problem. The first reason being the lifetime of the AirPods. From my observation, since the AirPods first generation, 2 years to 2.5 years is the maximum lifetime. When we use it regularly, just like any other headphones, the battery will be exhausted after a certain point. We don't have battery health measurement, but we have optimized the battery charging feature. I'll come to the topic a little later. So before buying AirPods, you need to know that 2 years to 2.5 years is the maximum lifetime of the product. If there is a problem after a year or 2 years after the warranty is over, then you have to replace the single AirPod that is causing the problem at Apple Service Center. At the time of replacement, you may see that the single AirPod left or right side is kind of costing you half the price of the actual new AirPods at that time. More deals, discounts, cashback related offers always comes for AirPods. So after a year or two usage, I think that instead of replacing the individual stems, the left or right side, you could go for a new AirPod at good discounts if it is available. And the second reason being, if you have recently dropped your AirPods, either the individual stem or the entire AirPods with the charging case, then there is a possibility that internal damages could have happened, and that is preventing the AirPods from charging. This kind of fits in the case where if your AirPods is new or you are using it for just 1 year or little above, the physical damage could play an important role that prevents the AirPods from charging. This cannot be fixed. Again, if you have an Apple Care Plus, then you can claim a new Apple AirPods at Apple Service Center. Accidental theft and lost will not be covered under Apple Care Plus. Apple Care Plus for AirPods is cheaper, and my suggestion is whenever you are buying AirPods under some discount, you can use the discount or cashback offer to get the Apple Care Plus for the AirPods. That way, for the entire 2 years, you will be covered from any damages. Theft and lost is not covered, so kindly remember that. So other than that, for any damages, you can replace it. And one important tip is, like, if you are nearing the 2 years mark and you're worried that in 6 months or sometime the AirPods battery could be exhausted and you may have to buy the new AirPods before the Apple Care Plus ends or over, you can damage your AirPods yourself, and then you can claim a new Apple AirPods at Apple Service Center by paying the service charge alone, which is far less compared to the actual new AirPods. Apple releases AirPods with long gap between each AirPods generation, so you won't feel outdated and you will be able to use the AirPods for another 2 years. Expense on the AirPods itself could be kind of a worthy one. And the third important reason is, just like iPhone, we have optimized charging feature for AirPods also. So if you're charging stuck at 80% or certain percentage for individual AirPod or for both the AirPods or for the charging case, don't worry. It is the optimized charging feature that is taking effect. You can of course turn the toggle off from the Bluetooth AirPods settings, but it is recommended to keep it on to protect your AirPods battery health and get a good lifetime overall, as it learns and adapts the charging pattern based on your usage. So these are the 3 reasons that you need to understand before trying the next couple of tips that I'm going to suggest. The first tip is based on my experience. Last week, my AirPods, all of a sudden, the left side alone was not charging properly. As we use the AirPods, the moisture contents, the oil or the sweat and everything, kind of adds more dust to the stem and bottom, the ring, which kind of conducts the electricity when we keep it inside the case. So the case inside, there is a possibility that dust could be prevents the charging from happening for either one side of the AirPod or for both the AirPods. So it is important to clean the AirPods and the inside case carefully with earbuds or any other soft materials to prevent the dust from affecting the charging practice. I also published a video about how to clean your AirPods properly with a product from Faber-Castell called Tacket. I'll leave a link to that in the description and in the first comment as well. If you need it, you can check that out. In my case, cleaning the AirPods case inside helped me to continue charging the AirPods without any problem. I was shocked when the left side AirPods alone went to 0% after the entire night charging. So it was the dusts that was preventing the left side AirPods from getting charged. The second important troubleshooting step is put the AirPods in the case and turn the AirPods case, and in the back you can see a button that you can press and hold for 10 to 20 seconds, and you will see white light blinking inside the case if it is AirPods Pro, and for other AirPods model in the front you will see the green or amber light turns to white light that will blink. That shows the AirPods have been successfully reset. So if there is any software related problems that is preventing the AirPods from charging, this reset will definitely help to fix the problem. Then you have to go to your iPhone, then settings, and then navigate to the AirPods settings and forget this device, because you need to pair the AirPods as a fresh new one to the iPhone in order to successfully complete the reset process. Simply bring the AirPods near to your iPhone and it will automatically show the pop-up, and then you can pair it without any problem. These true troubleshooting steps will definitely help you to fix anything related to the charging, also to the connectivity as well. So based on this, you can decide whether you need to visit the Apple Service Center or you can fix the problem yourself when AirPods not charging either one side of the AirPods or the entire charging case. I hope this video helped you to fix the problem with the AirPods. Thanks for watching, and for more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day.